Click on Add Product. Put the name of the new product. Put the current stock level and the minimum stock level. Choose the product type Made by Me single and start adding all the materials that you're going to use to make this new product. You can also edit the quantities. You can see the cost breakdown per piece, and you can also select a category. You can add an SKU, and you can also add a retail price and a wholesale price. Click Save, and there you're going to have two options. You can select if you already made them and adjust the material levels, or if you want us to adjust the material stock levels. Click on Create Product, and this is how you set up products made one at a time.